Well, today for lunch, we're going to be making a very easy meal to make, and we're going to bang it straight on the quokka. Within 20 minutes, we're going to have a tasty treat.
We certainly are. It is called a hobo pocket. I like to call it a whatever pocket because basically you can throw whatever you want in it. Today we are using leftover snacks from breakfast.
Yep.
Carrots, potatoes, onion, your favourite garlic, my favourite mushrooms.
Love me garlic. You got to have garlic in everything, even
You
ice
have
cream.
garlic on ice cream.
I don't, but I would if I could.
I bet you would.
So basically, we're going to use foil, extra strong, so we don't want to try and get any tears in it. We'll show you how all that's done. We're going to cut up all these little bits and pieces, probably nice little even chunks so it all cooks evenly. And a few herbs and spices, a bit of oil, and away we go. So we're going to get some carrots. Basically, I just like to cut these nice even chunks. We'll get one onion. Now, we like to leave the skin on our potatoes. Cut them into nice chunks. So basically, they look like nice big half homemade chips. Now, for the garlic, mushrooms cook pretty quick, so they can go in whole. All right, so while Kim's getting that pile up nice and neat, I'm just going to cut the little sausages up into little squares. We always drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top. What have we got there? A bit of garlic pepper, a bit of garlic salt.
Okay, so what you want to do now, wrap it up. What we're going to do with that is we're going to wrap it again.
We want the shiny side on the inside now, because the shiny side will reflect the heat, so you want the dull side to be on the coals.
Double wrapping it will stop most rips from happening.
All right,
And there you have it, a whatever packet.
the hobo pocket.
A whatever pocket, I meant.
A whatever pocket or whatever packet.
A whatever pocket.
So 10 minutes each side, flip them. So the smaller they are, the less time they take to cook, obviously. Just play it by ear, open them up. If they don't look cooked, wrap them back up, throw them back on.